Assalamu alaikum, my dear learners and those who are observing my online class. At first, I am going to be introduced to everyone. This is Zakir Hussain, Assistant English Teacher, Chorkana Buhumke High School, Pakondia, Kishorganj. My dear learners, this is the time of coronavirus, that means COVID-19, and it's going on all over the country, even all over the world. So our educational institutions are closed by the decision of government, and the government has decided to continue online class, and our head teacher has honored the government decisions. So we are invited, and I am also invited to go on online class, and I am going to take an English class of class 8. My dear learners, today I am going to take an English class of class 8, and let's go to the class. And today my topic is on article. At first, my question to everyone: what is article? What do we mean by article? Basically, we know A and D, these are called article. A and D. My dear learners, I would like to draw the attention of all the learners, those who are observing. Article is considered adjective and determiner. You have to remember in mind that article is determiner and article is always adjective. You have to bear in mind that. And we have to know that the origin of article, that means the source of article. You have to remember in mind that from 1 to n and n to a. Are you clear? 1 to n and n to a. And next, that to d. That to d. You have to bear in mind. And we have to know that how many kinds of article. Article is of two kinds. Article is of two kinds. What are they? Indefinite and definite. What is indefinite? Indefinite article means uncharted. Uncharted. You have to bear in mind that a n is indefinite article. Is indefinite article. It is uncharted. How it is uncharted? You have to bear in mind that I saw a bird. Which bird? It is not clear and it is not charted. So a and n is indefinite article. Are you clear? Maybe you are clear. And then definite article. My dear learners, what is definite article? Definite article is charted, fixed. Definite article is fixed. And definite article is the. The is called the definite article. The is called the definite article. Such for example about the definite article, I saw the bird. You have to bear in mind that the bird is known to you, or you know about the bird. So the is here the definite article. Are you clear? Indefinite article and definite article. What I am telling, a and the is indefinite article, the is definite article. Okay, and then I am going to discuss the next part about the article. My dear learners, we know that the letters 26. And vowel is of 5. Vowel is of 5. They are A, E, I, O, U. You have to bear in mind that if a word is formed with the vowel, beginning with the vowel, we have to write down N before the word. Suppose I have apple, that means apple. What is it? A. A is vowel. So we have to write N. I have an apple. Are you clear? In this way, we have to write down N before the vowel. But there is another point that always, if there is one, always you have to write A before the one. Before the one, you have to write A. Suppose I have lost 1 taka note. What will be here? A. Why will be A? Before one we have to write down A. What we have got? I have lost a 1 taka note. Okay. Then we have to write A before half. Before half. Always, all the time, half, before half will be A. Suppose I want half holiday. Half holiday. What will be? A. Before half, there will be A. Are you clear? Maybe you are clear. And then, my dear learners, those who are observing my online class, I would like to share with you that if any word is formed with the consonant, but the word is sound or pronounced the vowel, there will be N. There will be N in lieu of A. Suppose he is dash honest man. Honest is formed with consonant. H is consonant. Honest. But the sound is referring the vowel. So there will be N. There will be N. What we have got? He is an honest man. He is an honest man. In this way, we have to write down the use of article A or N. Are you clear, my dear learners? Okay. Then we are going to inform you that abbreviation. Suppose MA, MP, LLB. Are you clear? MA. But we see on the board M. But the sound is referring vowel. So there will be N. Suppose he is dash MA. What will be? N. He is an MA. Okay? Then MP. Mr. Rohim is dash MP. What will be? Article N. Why N? MP. M is consonant. But the sound is referring vowel. So there will be N. Okay? LLB. But sound is referring vowel. So there will be N. Okay? Even you have to bear in mind that MBBS. MBBS. This is a course of doctor degree. But the sound is definitely A. A. A is vowel. So there will be N. Therefore, is N MBBS. Okay, my dear learners, you have to study at home during the coronavirus. I believe you will study at home about the article. I hope that you are getting something and I believe you have jot down during my class and you will study at home. But at the end of my class, I would like to share about drug addiction. This is the message of higher authority. Drug addiction is a great problem in our country. The young generation are involving into the drug addiction. You have to bear in mind that drug addiction is nothing but a curse. It has grasped our society. And what is the result of drug addiction? It leads us to the death. It leads us to the death. So you have to be conscious about the drug addiction and you have to fight against the drug addiction so that there is no drug addiction in our society. And I believe you will be better, you will be happy, and you will be at home during the coronavirus and you will study. Okay, my dear learners, this class is just for today. Thanks to all.